Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Hope you all are doing good. This is Kanksha Bhagat of Triple E 6 SEM and I'll be conducting today's session. We named this session as the philosopher. Okay, so what are its importance? Before going further on the session, I would like to share the importance of this session. First, from this session, we get to know each other beliefs, visions, as well as the creativity level of your questioning, answering, and how you represent yourself. Second, to having these type of sessions is somewhat boosting confidence, not only for you all, but also for us. So try not to get too shy because we are basically directly proportional to each other. Thirdly, it will going to be an interactive session, not only with us, but among yourselves too. So try to listen to everyone very carefully. Fourth, this session will going to enhance your speaking as well as your listening skills. I hope you all understood the importance of it.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's just quickly get on with the instructions. Okay, listen it very carefully. First, you will be given a hypothetical situation and regarding it, a question will be asked. 1 minute will be given to all the members to think of an answer to that first question. Now, coming to the main part of the session. So this session includes chit system and I'll be having the bowl which consists of your name chits. A chit will be picked with a name whosever name comes, he or she will be given chance to speak their answer with justification to that question. Once a speaker is done with his or her answer, 30 seconds will be given to think of a question to that answer. Okay, and then another chit will be picked. The person on that chit then have to ask question on answer of the speaker one. Again, there will be 30-second gap for all to think of answer to this question. And another chit will be picked and that person have to answer this question. So in this way, the chit system will continue till 10. I hope you all get this. The loop of the chit. So you will be scored between 1 to 5 on the basis of questions asked or answered and the presentation of your answer itself. So there is note for you all. First, you must turn on your video while speaking and once you're done speaking, you may turn it off. Second, you must introduce yourself with your name, branch and semester before speaking. Third, you must pay attention to every speaker in order to ask or answer the question. Fourth, be aware of time because you will be given only 1 minute to answer the question and 30 seconds to ask a question. And Gaurav sir will be your stopwatch for today's session, okay? I hope you all get it.
Let me ask you one thing. Everyone, is the slide visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So if you have any doubts, you may ask right now. All right. So let's start with today's session. Akansha, you may continue. So these are the basic instructions which will be on for till the session. So that if you have any confusion, you can go through it.
the question, Gaurav?
Yeah. Wait. Okay. Here's the question. Can everyone see the question? Akansha, is the question visible?
Yes.
Alright. So the question is as follows. An old friend of yours with whom you were not in contact with for almost 2 years comes to you in a very desperate position and asks you to lend him some money as he is in big money trouble. You are in a condition where you can lend him that money, but you don't know whether he is genuinely in trouble or just fooling you. So the question is, what will you do? Will you lend him the money or will you refuse him? You have 30 seconds to think of an answer. Okay, Akansha, you can pick a chat now.
Okay. It's Tukeshwar Sahu. Tukeshwar Sahu.
Then may I speak in Hindi?
Yeah.
May I speak in Hindi?
Try to speak in English. No, it doesn't matter that how good you're speaking. You just have to speak in order to improve.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
First of all, I tried to know about his condition, his or her condition, that he is really felt on in a problem. Then I tried to give him money. If he is really in troubling condition, then I pay him or lend him money. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so he's done speaking. Akansha,
Hmm? Yes.
is he done speaking?
Yes.
All right. So everyone has 30 seconds to think of a question for this answer. Akansha, you can pick a chat now.
It's Noble Sahu.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nawaz from Triple E first sem. Sir, I have a question. How can we know that he's really he really needs some money or he's telling a lie?
I hope everyone gets his question.
All right, you can pick it now.
Vyapak Tiwari.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I'm Vyapak Tiwari from Electronics and Telecommunication branch. So, ma'am, Global asked that how can I, or how can we find out whether he is in real trouble or not? So, ma'am, first of all, I try to contact other mutual friends because I'm sure that if he was an old friend, I was not in contact with him for 2 years, but there would be people who were in contact with that person. So the best thing would be to speak to mutual friends, ma'am. So I try to speak to mutual friends and also ask him out directly. I mean, if I am doubtful about the condition, I would talk him about this, and then assess the situation and then make the appropriate decision, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next person has to ask question to Vyapak's answer. Okay. Gaurav, shall I pick the chit?
Yeah, you can pick a chat.
Aditi has commented that Vyapak should repeat his answer once again.
All right.
Vyapak, will you be able to?
Yes, ma'am, sure. And what I said was that, ma'am, I will try to speak to other friends, other mutual friends, because, ma'am, if he was an old friend, we would have mutual friends, of course. And, ma'am, I was not in contact with him for 2 years. I'm sure that other friends, there would be friends who were in contact with him. So I try to speak to the mutual friends. And the second part would be, if he's an old friend, I would be in a situation to talk to him directly. So, ma'am, if I'm doubtful about it, I would go to him. I would directly speak to him that, this, I have such and such feeling. So, you tell me honestly, ma'am, then I'll assess the situation and make the appropriate decision.
Okay. Aditi, you get it right? Next chit is Divya Bharti. Divya? I'm picking another one.
Yeah.
I guess she's Shivani Rathia.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Shani Rathia from Civil Branch, first semester. So I would like to question that if you meet some of his mutual friends and they are also telling wrong to you, if they have planned something to get you fool, then what would you do next?
Yeah, you can pick a chat now.
Neelam Jaiswal.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Neelam Jaswal from EKNT branch. Ma'am, it will be quite distance. It will be to mean. It means he is not in my contact at least here. It will be quite distant for me how he want to get my help, or whether they would make some relevant decision over it. Uh, I, I would I would like to ask some of my mutual friends also, or I will make decision relevantly.
Alright, pick a chat.
Vaibhavi Sahu. I'm taking another one. CH Shushmita. Abhishek Baital.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Abhishek Bethel from CSC 4th SEM. And my question is that what if the mutual friends say that they are also not aware of his or her condition? Then what should our main speaker do?
Okay, pick a chat.
Shashank Sahu. Should answer this.
Yes, ma'am, this is Shashank Sahu from Triple Force. Ma'am, uh, mm, ma'am, I will ask their family members.
What?
I will ask his family members about the situation.
Okay, you may pick another chat. Akansha, you may pick another chat. Hello, am I audible? Akansha?
Gaurav, is he audible?
Yeah, there. I believe there is some network issue. Guys, please let me know that am I audible or not?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir, you are.
audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I am audible to others. Akansha, can you hear my voice? All right, Akansha. There's some sort of network issue. So let me just continue with the session. So for next, let me just pick a random name.
Sir.
Bhagya Lakshmi, you may speak. Hello. Bhagyalakshmi?
Yes.
Yeah, you may speak.
Okay. Okay. So I would like to ask the question that if we find out that his family members say that he is not in the condition and they say that he is lying. So we find out that at the end of 2 years after he reached out us, after 2 years he is lying. So what would we do then?
All right. Yeah, so who is not speaking? Khushi, can you please answer the Bhagyalakshmi's question?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So my name is Khushi and I'm from ET&T branch. And I would like to answer her question that um, um, I'm that I've been friends with him or her for last 2 years. I have been able to disconnect with him due to some reasons, but he's not a stranger to me. He or she is not a stranger to me, so I should blindly trust him and should give him the money.
All right. Neelam has spoken. Indrakshi, could you ask a question to Khushi?
Good morning, sir. I'm Indrakshi from AT&T branch, first semester. Sir, my question is that the other person who has asked me for money might not contact with me for those 2 years, but he should at least have tried to remain in contact. Friendship isn't just about seeking help from someone multi-time need. And if at all he is a friend of mine, then he's got other mutual friends. He should have asked them as well. So in that situation, why just me? Alright, I'm ready to help him out with that, but he should have asked from others as well. So this is my question. Thank you, sir.
All right. Yeah. Aditi, can you answer Indrakshi's question?
Yes, sir. Hello, I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you're audible.
Good morning, sir. My name is Aditi Chandrakar, Tripoli first, sir. So maybe my friend trusted me. That's why he came. And if he was trying to fool me, then he should have come 2 years before. He should have he should have not left the 2 years span and would have asked for money again and again if he was trying to fool me.
All right. Deepak?
Yes, sir.
Can you ask a question?
Yes. My question is if hello everyone, I am Deepak Kumar, fourth sem, Triple. My question is if uh, that friend and all your mutual friends are are uh, are grouply want to making you fool, then what will you do?
Can you repeat the question?
If that friend and all your mutual friends are grouply want to see you making fool, then what will you do?
All right. Rahul.
Good evening, sir and
Yeah.
ma'am. My name is Rahul Kujur. I am from civil fourth semester.
Okay.
Sir, since he is my friend, I know his nature, whether he is good or bad. And if he will say that his parents are hospitalized, then I will try to investigate. I will go to his hospital and check whether his parents are hospitalized or not. Then I will definitely know that uh, he is lying or he is saying correct. Thank you, sir.
All right. Abhishek, Aditi, Ashish, Lakshmi, Deepak. Yeah, Deepak.
Yes, sir.
You have spoken, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Devesh. Devesh Swarnakar.
Yes, sir. Myself Devesh Warnakar, and I am from CSE branch, fourth semester. So my question is, if you go and investigate in the hospital, then it is not a nature of a friend.
Can you? Yeah,
Are
please
you a
repeat.
good friend?
Devesh, please repeat your answer.
Hello.
Yeah.
So if you investigate in the hospital that their parents are really in trouble or not, then it is not a good sign of a good friend. So are you a good friend or not? This is my question.
All right. Devesh, she has done. Neelam, Noble, Rahul, Sushant, Shivani, and Yogeshwar, Tushar, Tushar.
Hello, sir. I am Tushar from
Yeah.
Civil First Sem. So I will try to investigate at my best, and if I still found doubtful about him or her, I didn't lend him money. But if I feel urgent that he's he might really be in trouble, then I will give him 50% of the money. And if I am sure that he's really in trouble, I will provide him the money they want. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Tushar. So anyone else is left speaking who has not spoken? I believe everyone has spoken. So, okay. So, this was quite a good session, I believe. All right. So, the motive of you already know, Akanksha ma'am. Akanksha has already told you the significance of behind this topic and session. So, the motto of this session I'll explain you in the last slide. Let me just. Okay. So there comes some situation in life when this kind of situations comes, and you have a choice to become a fool or a rogue. The question is, would you rather become a fool than becoming a rogue? You all know the meaning of rogue, right?
Sir, what's the meaning of rogue?
Hindi में we say it धूर्त.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. So uh, what would you rather become? This is one question. Anyone could answer. Vyapak, what would you rather choose?
Now, sir, this is a difficult question, but sir, definitely I wouldn't choose to be a fool.
And could you please justify your answer?
So, so to be honest, so becoming a fool means sir taking a loss to ourselves, and so not just loss, but sir, it depends on the situation. It could be anything. So, I think becoming a fool is not an intelligent choice by any means, and so neither is becoming rock. But if the choice is between becoming a fool and a rock, so slightly I would be tended towards rock, if not completely.
All right, Bhagyalakshmi, what would you rather become?
So I'd rather equivocate here.
Okay, all right. Yeah, Bhagyalakshmi, what would you rather become?
I'll rob because there's no need to give the money. Of course, I mean, if a friend is there, he's coming after 2 years, then there's no chance that I would even talk because if he was an actual good friend, then he wouldn't have chose to break the friendship. And of course, I wouldn't give the money.
All right. Shivani, what would you rather become?
Sir, I would like to choose fool because as I'm a disciplined guy, I always been honest to him, and I always um, I always be an honest person. So I if I become a dishonest, then I don't satisfy myself. So I would like to be a fool that time.
All right. And Rahul, what would you rather become?
Sir, I don't. Sir, I
Yeah. Hello.
yes, sir.
What would you rather become?
Sir, definitely, I want to become full. Because he was my friend and he was not in contact with me for many years. So what type of friend he was? Uh, a friend indeed, a friend indeed. The word itself says that uh, that you are a true.
All right, all right. Aditi, same question for you.
Sir, I would choose becoming a fool because he was a friend, he or she was a friend, she is a friend, and I will do what I should do. So I think I'll become a fool.
All right,
And
all right. Thank you, thank you. So in online session, there is a big problem with network issues. So more of your questions or answers were not clearly audible or because of network issues. So I cannot do anything regarding that. When we'll start our offline sessions, then it will be rather better for you to improve. But what can we do? We have to continue with online sessions as of now. For this question, I'll tell you a simple situation. I'll tell you two situations. Like whenever you go to market to buy vegetables, let's say, and someone is selling you a vegetable for 15 rupees per kg, but you know that that vegetable is to be sold for 10 rupees per kg only, but you rather buy it for 15 rupees per kg than 10 rupees 1 kg. Now the point here is that you know that the real price is 10 rupees per kg, but you still buy it for 15 rupees per kg just because that man is too poor or he's in a desperate or kindly situation. So you either in that situation you become a fool. Some people in that situation try to become rogue. They try to bargain even further and try to get it for 8 rupees per kg. So, what would you think for that situation? For him, 5 rupees per kg. For you, it not might mean that much, but for him, it might very much. So, in such situations, philosophy or literature says that you becoming a fool is rather better than becoming a rogue if you are able to bear that loss. All right. So if when we says that this person is very easy to fool, then it might be possible that he has a choice to become a fool rather than becoming a rogue. So think about it. This is a philosophical situation. So you must deep think about this question. Manji sir is with us. Yes. Yeah, sir. You would like to add some ending remarks?
Okay. I would ask the same question to you, Gaurav.
Yeah.
What would you become, a fool or
Sir, if I am able to, I'm in a condition that I could help someone and I am able to bear that loss as well, then I would rather become a fool than a rogue.
Okay. My general suggestion to everyone, like a person differs from the other person in various aspects. Okay. Our thinking capability is also different. Our emotions are also different. Yet, one thing which you have to take care is like that should be rational. Okay. Means if the other person is trying to fool you, don't become a fool, but he's genuinely in that situation, then you should do that. Means I liked Vyapak's answer, the very first answer, that he is going to do the background check. You know, because when you invest money kind of thing, so you should be taking proper care. And a friendship doesn't means only having emotions. It also means more than that. More than that. Means he or she is sticking to you is not a friend. He or she cares about you, then he is a friend. I believe. This is my opinion. So whenever their money matter is there, have a slight
practical approach.
Yeah, practical approach. Don't become an emotional fool. What I mean to say, don't become an emotional fool. Become having a practical approach. Go behind the background whether the person is genuinely needing that or not. Help and make him aware of the responsibility. Okay, of that. So this is only my point of view, because we are going to meet so many different kind of people. Maybe they would exploit you. Maybe they would be genuine. So you should know to demarcate that.
But
sorry
to interrupt.
Yeah.
But suppose you are not able, there comes many situations where you are not able to do the background check, and you don't have a particular result for him or her that he is genuinely in need for that money or not. So
cross question.
In such situation,
you need to do cross questions.
Yeah.
Cross questions like first collect the fact, what he or she is saying, then try to counter check or cross question about regarding that situation. Somewhere you will get the clue and you will get the intuition. It is within us. We feel that it is genuine, it is not genuine, that kind of thing. I believe. Because if the other person feels that he or she can easily draw money from me, then it would be a problem in near future. So you have to little bit stuff. Okay. I'm quoting a very good example. I'm taking time, 1 minute time. My PhD guide, I used to go to his house and we used to have discussions over our topic, PhD topic. One day I went to his house and I saw a student standing outside his house, and sir came out. Then he took student to a little bit far and they had a discussion, and he came back and student went back. Then sir told me that that student needed money. So I said, sir, so you gave it? Then sir told, no. I asked him to give me the explanation, justification why he needs money. Then he explained me that if I'm not going to make him do that, then he is going to think that I can easily draw money. So I need him to justify that he or she bears the moral responsibility regarding it. So that's the thing which I learned from him. So I'm sharing the same thing with you all people. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Alright.
So
This discussion can go on forever, but we
yeah.
can draw some conclusions from this discussions. I hope you all, you guys, all 16 guys, uh, what can I say? So just because in today's session I started picking up names, you can see the drastic results. That is why I was hesitating to pick up names. But neither the less, we have to start doing that one day. So it's good we started this day. So you 16 guys, I believe, are most responsible and serious about our language club. Thanks for that. And I hope you all to see in every session, so that some of you might not be that much fluent or comfortable in English, but still you're trying. That is the most appreciable part from. And I'm very thankful from my bottom of my heart that you are still joining the sessions and continuing with your improvements. Thank you everyone for today's session, and I hope you guys like the session and learn something new. I hope to see you in next session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.